मूलमन्त्रेण षडङ्गन्यासं कुर्यात्
मूलमन्त्रेण षडङ्गन्यासं कुर्यात् मूलमन्त्रेण षडङ्गन्यासं कुर्यात्
ऐं अङ्गुष्ठाभ्यां नमः
ऐं अङ्गुष्ठाभ्यां नमः
क्लीं तज्जनीभ्यां नमः
क्लीं तर्जनीभ्यां नमः
सौः मध्यमाभ्यां नमः
सौः मध्यमाभ्यां नमः
सौः अनामिकाभ्यां नमः
सौः अनामिकाभ्यां नमः
क्लीं कनिष्ठिकाभ्यां नमः
क्लीं कनिष्ठिकाभ्यां नमः
ऐं करतलकरपृष्ठाभ्यां नमः
ऐं करतलकरपृष्ठाभ्यां नमः
ऐं हृदयाय नमः
ऐं हृदयाय नमः
क्लीं शिरसे स्वाहा
क्लीं शिरसे स्वाहा
क्लीं शिरसे स्वाहा
क्लीं शिरसे स्वाहा
सौः शिखायै वषट्
सौः शिखायै वषट्
सौः कवचाय हुम्
सौः कवचाय हुम्
क्लीं नेत्रत्रयाय वौषट्
क्लीं नेत्रत्रयाय वौषट्
ऐं अस्त्राय फट्
ऐं अस्त्राय फट्
भूः भुवः सुवः ॐ इति दिग्बन्धः
भूः भुवः सुवः ॐ इति दिग्बन्धः
तादृशं खड्गमाप्नोति
तादृशं खड्गमाप्नोति तादृशं खड्गमाप्नोति
येन हस्तस्थितेन वै
येन हस्तस्थितेन वै येन हस्तस्थितेन वै
अष्टादश महाद्वीपा
अष्टादश महाद्वीपा अष्टादश महाद्वीपा
सम्राट् भोक्ता भविष्यति
सम्राट् भोक्ता भविष्यति सम्राट् भोक्ता भविष्यति
जपे विनियोगः. What happens in the japam is, before the japam, you are there, the deity is there, and the japa process is there. But what do you use if you continue to do the japam? You are there, she is there, the duality is there. So what happens is that the I factor will merge in the mantra. So mantra disappears. After some time, you won't be reciting the mantra, but you are totally focusing on the deity. So there will be only two people. First is dhyana, dhyatru, dheya rupa. Dhyanam is the process, japam. Dhyayam is the deity. Dhyatru is yourself. Then the dhyanam merges with the dhyatru, the one who is doing the japam. Then dhyatru, dheya will be there. After that, the dhyatru will merge in the dhyayam. Only one. Where are you? You're there, but only everything you are seeing as the incarnation of Mother. For that to happen, I need to pass the energy through Karanyasa Anganyasa. 5 fingers, palm. I need to distribute the energy. Where is the energy? From the Ain Bijam. So how do you do that? Moola mantrena Shadanganyasam Kuryat. What is the Moola mantram? Aim, Klim, Sau. This is the Moola mantram. So, Aim Angushtabhyam Namaha. So, here I need to understand, it's only just a, tattva. Nobody can prove this is exactly the same, the science behind the tattva. But it is better if you can understand this is the Paramatma, without which I can't, it's very difficult for me to do anything. I can't lift anything, I can't write. This is important. And this is always separated from the Jivatma. The Jivatma is always pointing towards the world, accusing the world for anything which is happening to me. See the word? Accusing the world for anything that is happening to me. This is called Tarjani. So, first, what you need to do, the Jiva should surrender himself to the Paramatma. This is the surrender. Aim Angushtabhyam Namaha. In this rubbing, you need to feel the I factor in me may be removed and completely replaced with thy factor. That's surrender. Okay? I'm Angushtabhyam Namaha. Then the thy factor words. Kleem Tajjanibhyam Namaha. When the thy factor with God, that removes or reduces your habit of accusing the world for everything that is happening to you. You accuse Rahu, you accuse Ketu, you accuse Shanishwara just because they are in the bad house. When 12 houses are there, there had to be some house, right? How can you accuse Grahas for everything that is happening to you? That attitude will reduce when you say, Kleem Tajjanibhyam Namaha. Kleem. What is Kleem? Flow. So your awareness flows and Tajjanibhyam Namaha. Then Sauh Madhyamabhyam Namaha. Sattva Rajas Tamo Guna. Sattva Rajas Tamo Guna. In this, if you see, Sattva Guna is a little bit higher, bigger. Rajo Guna almost equal but lower. And Tamo Guna is the minimum. That's how you need to maintain. So, Sattva Guna it increases. Sauh Madhyamabhyam Namaha. Sauh Anamikabhyam Namaha. That Rajoguna, it maintains. Rajoguna means the intention to work. You need to have intention. I need to work. I need to do ritual. I need to do japa. That should be there. And Swatma Abhimana, Atma Vishwasam should be there. But that should be controlled to see that it is not crossing the boundaries and giving you ego. And that balance is maintained. Sauh Anamikabhya Namaha. Kleem Kanishtika Abhya Namaha. Kanishtika Abhya Namaha. Tamasikam, it reduces. Kanishta, the lowest one. Tamasik what? Hurting the other person, knowingly or unknowingly. Selfishness, greed, depression. These are all tamasic qualities. And by doing the nyasam, I'm not depending on anything. I'm telling myself, these are the qualities I need to develop. Kanishtikabhya Namaha. Aim Karatala Kara Purushtabhya Namaha. Aim is again knowledge bijam. Let this be equally distributed all over my palm. Karatala Kara Purushta. You do like this. This is called Karanyasam. Next is Anganyasam. There are 6 parts in your body where you need to pass on the energy also. What is the principle behind this nyasa is, right now because my focus is only on the world, I'm not able to, enjoy the energy inside. So I'm making me realize that there is an energy flow inside my body, cosmic energy, and that is happening in the nyasam. So what is the first Anganyasam? Aim Hridayaya Namaha. You need to place your palm completely on your heart center. This is positive energy. That's why when you do the Asirvachanam, you do like this. Let this positive energy flow through. This Amritasthana. Immortal. And that is transferred to the other person when you bless the person. Same thing, I'm blessing myself. What is that blessing? Let my heart always enjoy the auspicious things that is happening in my life. I feel death is an inauspicious, birth is auspicious. Yes, of course, it causes pain, but let me come out of that pain and focus only on those auspicious things that are happening in my life, in the life. Sarve jara sukhino bhavantu. Sakala sasyashyaamalam. There is no other go. It is the only way. Let my heart, even the other person is troubling me, other person is cheating me, other person is hurting me. Let me still see the auspicious thing around me. Very difficult. So that training you are giving here. Kleem Sirase Swaha. Big brain. Sauh Shikhaye Vashad. Small brain. Let the thoughts coming from my big brain and the small brain always lead me to the righteous path. Lead me to the target, not distract me. So I'm telling my mind, mind is also goddess mother. Hey Maya, I am helpless. That I, when you separate, I'm praying to this. So I say, I'm helpless. The thoughts are coming to me from you. So let all the thoughts that come to me lead me in the righteous path. Because man is driven by the thought. Thought is given by the mind. Mind is controlled by the God. Aim Hrudayanamaha Klim Siratesva Sau Sikhayi Vashadim Amritsthanam. Sau Kavachaya Hum. I'm protecting myself. That's why you need to hug yourself tightly. Somebody will come. Somebody has to take your load. God has to give you a job. God has to settle the marriage for your daughter. God has to give you money. What you have to do, you do first. You protect yourself. Let me have the strength of protecting myself. Sau kavachaya hum. 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 That all the toxic elements which are in my body, which are giving wrong thoughts and which is causing pain to me, be removed, and I have the strength to protect myself. Klim netratrayaya vau shat, 3 eyes. Let my vision while looking at the world be impartial, non-judgmental. Right now we are judging. My life started from judgment. This is grey, not green. This is Sri Yantra, not a lamp. We go to the root, but right now we are going in the external. So my looks, let them not be analytical. Visleshana rahita jivanam iti Sri Vidya sadhanam. Sri Vidya is nothing but non-analytical approach to your life and the world is Sri Vidya. So let my vision impartial, non-judgmental, and non-analytical. Netratrayaya vosham. Aim astraya fat. That means aim is the jnanam. Let my knowledge be an astram, weapon. Fat is the marana bijam. Hum is the marana bijam. These two are used to drive away the negative energy.